Greetings, fellow creatives! Are you ready to embark on an exciting sublimation printing adventure? Whether you're a newcomer to the art or an inspiring enthusiast, this video is your gateway to discovering the ultimate sublimation printer for beginners. From personalized masterpieces to awe-inspiring crafts, I'll unravel the top-notch sublimation printers that will fuel your creative fire. Prepare to unlock a whole new dimension of imagination. Let's dive in. Number 5. Sawgrass SG500. I want to start this video by telling you about the Sawgrass SG500 sublimation printer, which is indeed a fantastic choice for beginners venturing into the world of sublimation printing. First off, this printer packs a punch when it comes to producing vibrant, high-quality prints. Its exceptional color accuracy and sharp detail reproduction will make your designs truly pop. With a compact size and user-friendly interface, the SG500 is a breeze to set up and navigate, perfect for those new to the sublimation game. One of the standout features is its versatility. The SG500 allows you to print on a wide range of sublimation-friendly materials, from apparel and mugs to phone cases and home decor items. Its dedicated sublimation ink system ensures vivid and long-lasting results, leaving your creations looking professional and eye-catching. However, it's worth noting that the SG500 has a limited print size, which might be a drawback if you're looking to work on larger projects. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2800. Next up, let me introduce you to the Epson EcoTank ET2800, the perfect sublimation printer for beginners looking to unleash their artistic potential. With ET2800's revolutionary ink system, you can say goodbye to the hassle of constantly replacing cartridges. Thanks to its generous ink tanks, with a single fill, you'll enjoy uninterrupted printing sessions, allowing you to focus on bringing your designs to life. The ET2800 excels in delivering remarkable print quality. Your creations will burst with vibrant colors and stunning details, captivating anyone who lays eyes on them. Plus, the user-friendly interface and easy setup make it a dream to operate, even for those new to the world of sublimation printing. Affordability is another key advantage of the ET2800. With cost-effective printing solutions, you can explore your creativity without worrying about the dent in your wallet. However, keep in mind that the ET2800 has limited media handling, so it may not be ideal for larger projects. Number 3. HP SmartTank 5101. Now let's get to the HP SmartTank 5101, another outstanding sublimation printer tailored for beginners who are eager to explore the world of vibrant and personalized printing. Once again, with its large ink tanks, you can enjoy an extended printing experience without the constant worry of running out of ink. This means fewer interruptions and more time devoted to bringing your imaginative designs to life. The SmartTank 5101 also delivers exceptional print quality, ensuring your creations dazzle with vivid colors and sharp details. Its user-friendly interface and hassle-free setup make it a breeze to operate, which makes it great for beginners. Another great advantage of the SmartTank 5101 is its versatility. You can explore a wide range of sublimation-friendly materials, from fabrics to mugs and beyond, allowing you to unleash your creativity on various mediums. However, it's worth noting that the SmartTank 5101 is relatively larger in size compared to some other models, which may require a bit more space in your creative setup. Number 2. Epson Workforce WF7210. Another great choice you can make is the Epson Workforce WF7210. The Workforce WF7210 boasts impressive features that make it a standout choice. First and foremost, its wide format capabilities allow you to print on larger media sizes, giving you the freedom to explore grander projects and unleash your creativity on a larger canvas. When it comes to print quality, the WF7210 doesn't disappoint. With its precision core technology, your designs will come to life with exceptional detail, sharpness, and vibrant colors that truly pop. Whether you're printing graphics, images, or text, this printer delivers professional-grade results that will impress even the most discerning eyes. This printer offers convenient wireless printing, allowing you to effortlessly connect your devices and print from anywhere within your network. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive navigation make it a breeze to operate even for beginners. However, WF7210 is also large in size, like the one mentioned, so make sure you have adequate space in your creative setup. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET15000. Last but not least, here goes the Epson EcoTank ET15000, a sublimation printer that opens up a world of possibilities for beginners seeking vibrant and personalized printing experiences. The ET15000 shines with its remarkable sublimation features, and it ensures uninterrupted printing sessions, eliminating the constant need for cartridge replacements because of its large ink tanks. What sets this printer apart is its outstanding print quality. With precision and finesse, It breathes life into your sublimation designs, bringing out vivid colors and intricate details that captivate the eye. Plus, its wide format capabilities enable you to expand your creative horizons and explore larger media sizes for an even more impactful presentation. Versatility is another feather in the ET15000's cap. From fabrics to ceramics and beyond, this printer embraces a diverse range of sublimation-friendly materials. However, it's important to note that the ET15000 might require a slight learning curve to optimize the settings and achieve the best results for your sublimation prints. Patience and experimentation will help you unlock its full potential. And there you have it. We've explored the best sublimation printers for beginners, opening up a realm of creative opportunities. Now, armed with the knowledge of these incredible machines, you're ready to bring your imagination to life. So go forth, create, and let your designs soar. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.